Hey, so we're back here at Wilton. I've been doing some work on the floor and show you kind of what I've been doing. My first time doing a subfloor, and we've got the front part I'm going to do a little different for the entry. Retain a little bit of the bus interior, but the rest of it's going to be framed in. I'm going to be doing the walls, framing in walls next, and putting in electrical and plumbing before I start actually putting paneling or whatever we decide to use on the walls. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.